If you came here looking to kickstart your business, then you're in luck. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Forget that. A huge secret. Something most online businesses don't know, and what most great online marketers are using this instant to maximize their selling potential. Okay, so you have a website, and you're offering a great product or service. You might even be getting targeted traffic to your site, but even with all this in place, your business isn't living up to the cash-making dream you had in mind when you first started. You see, here's the big problem. Having a nice website or simply offering a great product is no longer enough. What 95% of online businesses fail to recognize is that with the birth of the information age came the decline of the modern-day attention span. Online shoppers are bombarded with internet marketing on a daily basis, and this has led to a generation of people with, now get this, advertising ADD. That's right. Recent studies have shown that a staggering 80% of people don't read when online. Instead, they scan. This means traditional methods of advertising, such as sales copy, is a big waste of your time. It's a massive problem. Yet still, the majority of websites don't address it. Not because they're lazy, but because they don't know how to. Now, wouldn't it be amazing to be able to engage your visitors as soon as they land on your website, in a way that actually makes them want to hear what you have to say and want to buy what you're offering? Well, there is a way. Enter your personal sidekick. The sidekick is your ultimate companion in the fight for sales, conversions, and the modern-day attention span. Our studio specializes in creating sales videos that have been proven to convert website traffic into actual sales. Best of all, we do all the work for you so you can focus on what's really important. Think of our sales videos as your own personal salesman working for you around the clock, even while you're sleeping. Okay, so how can a sales video make your business dreams come true? Well, it's possible with Mind Matters technology. Mind Matters technology is a sales video formula that we've developed through rigorous trials and market research. We noticed that while some sales videos had little impact on sales, others would skyrocket sales by over 400%. We've figured out exactly what it takes to push the brain's emotional hot buttons so people will click the Buy Now button. This research, along with our understanding of long-forgotten scientific advertising principles, Mind Matters technology was born. You see, every element of our videos, from the audio to the graphics to language and even timing, is designed to draw in and engage viewers on both conscious and subconscious levels. Basically, every decision is made to skyrocket your sales. Believe it or not, there's actually a reason why this text is orange. But before I give any more secrets away, let me tell you what you will be getting with Sidekick Sales Video. Up to 5 minutes of crystal clear HD video. A custom-written script specifically designed to strengthen your brand and sell your product. Professionally recorded audio. A hand-picked royalty-free audio track. And of course, Mind Matters technology. With all this in place, you no longer need to spend countless hours writing long pages of sales copy that will just bore the pants off people. No more spending money on advertising and web redesigns that will just leave you frustrated and bring you no closer to making consistent sales. We'll do the work at a fraction of the price it would cost for you to do it yourself. Here's how it works. Step 1. Collaborate. We'll speak in depth about your brand, business, and any other goals you might have. We want to learn about you to create the most potent sales video for your website. Step 2. Create. Our team will create a sales video for you based on your desires, all while following our Mind Matters sales formula, and we won't stop until you are 100% satisfied. Step 3. Celebrate. The real fun begins. Your video gets uploaded to your website, and we celebrate as you watch your sales shoot up like never before. And if your Sidekick sales video doesn't increase your sales within 30 days, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. It's time. Click the order button now to have your very own Sidekick sales video kickstart your business. After you fill in your information, one of our representatives will get back to you so we can start working together to bring your cash-making dreams to life. There's really no time to waste. Order a Sidekick sales video now.